Hey guys, Tank here to talk to you about a new product that just came out from DJI. The new product is actually a Osmo action camera. So this is kind of cool and in the market because it actually has a front screen and a back screen on it. It looks like it's got a good lens. It does have, like I mentioned, dual screen. It is 4K HDR video. It does have what they call the rock steady, so it doesn't jigger or move when you're moving the camera a lot, or shaking if you have it on your car or in your hands. It does come with some accessories, and it is pretty small. One thing I find cool, it does have 8 times slow motion, so it's pretty good, and also it actually is waterproof. It does not need any casing. That said, I do not know how the audio is going to be on it, so that's something that's going to have to be tested when it actually comes out. But they do have a cool little video on it that shows a bunch of ways they actually videotape it. So you do see yourself on the front screen, which is kind of cool because then you know if you're actually centered. Again, you can shake it and it's pretty stable. So there's your rock steady, and it is 60 frames. It does have HDR, so in low light and high light it actually corrects everything and right filters and all that. So their video is pretty well done. Now if I can get that type of image when I'm diving, I'd be happy. Not with that one, with the one previous to that one. Now there's something I do every day. I just walk it. So if you guys are like that, you like to walk it, I like to drive it also. This looks like fun. Something I could do. That's definitely something I can do. So again, you can take perfect selfies. What is neat with it is the button, you can actually touch it, and with gloves or whatnot, because it actually has hard buttons on it. And I believe it is touchscreen also. I believe I read that up, that it is touchscreen. So it's pretty neat. You can, they say you can flip it, rock it. And the next one that's coming up, I like it. It's just like send it, just like Steve O.D. does. Spin it. Time lapse. Time lapse, it is kind of cool. What you can do with it, but you do have to plug it in a power source, or else you might run out of batteries. It is dust proof, waterproof, and all that right out of the case. So that looks pretty interesting. One thing that I find that was interesting also is that they do have some pretty good accessories for it. So the some battery, the charging kit. Batteries are about $20 US, which is not bad. Oh, the camera is about $349 US, which is not bad. You can get a filter cap for it. USB-C cross cover. And if it has USB-C, it should work with most USB-C cameras that's out there in the market, which is kind of cool. Again, you can put up to 128 gig memory card on it. So there's your accessories and all your stuff. So that's pretty cool. So guys, hope you liked the video and the new product from DJI. I'm actually really thinking about this camera because it's waterproof out of the box and price seems to be pretty good to me. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Don't forget to thumbs up and hit the bell also.